How to remove card from Apple Pay. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove card from Apple Pay. But before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. So the first thing that you'll need to do is open up your wallet. So after you open up your wallet, what you can do is there you can see the list of your cards available. So after you see the list of your card, just locate the card that you want to remove or delete. So select that very card and then on the top right corner, you'll find three dots. Tap on it and there you will see remove pass or remove card option. All you have to do is tap on that very option and again confirm the removal by tapping on remove. And doing that, you'll have removed your card from Apple Pay. And it's basically that simple now. If you can't do that, what you can do is you can just tap on the card or tap on whichever card that you have, tap on pass or card details, then tap on remove card. Now, the remove card option will be quite down below. So just tap on remove card and then the card will be removed. And that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.